this video I'm gonna give this image a golden and green color combination like this. Starting the video with basic tuning on tune image, decreasing brightness around 14% and increasing contrast around 40% and increasing saturation to pop the greens literally overall image, and decreasing highlights around 80% and decreasing shadows as well around 19% and warmth only positive side around 15%. Giving details to the image, increasing structure and also some sharpening, using white balance, decreasing a bit of temperature and increasing a bit of tint. Using curves, applying soft contrast from the preset section. Now to make this image more dramatic, I'll use vintage filter here and preset will be 12. And now with masking, effect enabled here, and now carefully brushing out the brightness from middle part of the image and also removing the brightness from some part of the image. To pop out the green color, I'm using selective here, placing it on the greens, increasing saturation and copying it, placing it to the another side. I'll add more fog on top of that hill using curves, selecting RGB here and lifting down from bottom to top. Now with masking, applying this on the foggy area. Here in Lightroom, adjusting the lights according to the image. Moving to the color mix menu, increasing vibrance to give color to the overall image. Now I'll make this image golden green color combination. Decreasing hue of green turns into yellow and decreasing hue of yellow color to create that golden look. going back to the green again and increasing hue for light green color.